Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
One big mistake you make in your car that may kill you. There has been a message circulating on the internet which should serve as a warning for every person. According to the message, the car interiors contain toxic levels of cancer-causing benzene emitted by dashboards, car seats, and air fresheners. Hence, it is recommended to open windows to expel trapped benzene gas before turning on the car air conditioner. Why should you stop making this mistake? This means that every time you enter your car without opening the window or leaving the door for a while, you are actually posing a risk to your health and well-being. When you leave your car with windows closed, even in the same, it can amass 400 to 800 milligrams of benzene. On the other hand, when the car is left in the sun, the level of benzene can achieve 2,000 to 4,000 milligrams. And that is even 40 times above than the allowed level. Additionally, the World Health Organization stated that there isn't a safe level of exposure to this carcinogen. So, when you enter the car and don't fresh air in, this poisonous chemical influences the kidneys, the liver and the bone tissue. Moreover, you should open the auto's windows before turning on the AC. The reason behind this claim is that when the air condition in the car begins to cool the air, the aeration and cooling system launches all the warmed ventilate, and with it, the benzene, is a poison that causes disease. Hence, turning the air conditioner will speed up the process of exposure to trapped toxins by recirculating contaminated air. Therefore, you should make sure you open the windows for a few minutes and after that to turn on the AC. Moreover, when you turn on your car, leave the windows open for another few minutes.